everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making apple cookies. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Probably my favorite thing to snack on are apples. I absolutely love them. Any kind, any color, any brand, I love them all. They're healthy and they taste really, really good, so I never feel bad about having them. They're low carb and they're gluten-free, obviously, which makes them great for everybody. And if you've ever heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the dentist away, it'll definitely help to clean your teeth too. Next time you're in the mood for a nice light snack, but you're not sure what to do or what to make, definitely try these. Literally all you're going to need is an apple, some chocolate chips, and some peanut butter. So the first thing that we're going to do is just pour our apple. Okay, so now we have our slices. If you want, you can always slice them long ways. You can chop them. You can really do whatever you want with these, but I'm just going to use the apple corer. Now, just in case you missed the mark a little bit, like in this apple, I just have my knife here to just cut that out. Now from here, all you're going to want to do, take some peanut butter. You're just going to start coating your apples, and then we're going to sprinkle them on top with some mini chocolate chips. Now there is no right or wrong way to do this. You can do the sides, you can do the top, you can do the entire thing. And this is also a nice fun recipe if you have kids or little ones or you're babysitting, just for them to get involved in, because there's nothing crazy for them to do or any sharp tools. You can even have them do this with a spoon if you wanted to. Now we are officially in the fall, so if you guys are also looking for any other apple recipe videos, definitely check out my healthy mini apple pie video or my apple cinnamon stovetop apples. Those are really good too. Now here, it doesn't matter what you use. You can use normal peanut butter. This is peanut butter with honey. You can use peanut butter with nuts. You can use sunflower butter. You can use almond butter, whatever you guys want. And now for arguably the most important part, chocolate chips. So you can use semi-sweet, you can use dark chocolate, you can use mini, you can use whole, you can use whatever floats your boat. Now I'm just going to put 3 on each because, like that. Okay, and there you have it. How simple and easy was that, right? So now it's time for my favorite part. So good, you guys, and this literally takes 2 seconds. I mean, it took me a little bit longer because I was trying to make sure it looked decent for you guys so you can see it looking pretty. Now, as always, you can customize this to whatever it is that you want. You can add different butters, you can add different types of chocolate chips, you can add different nuts, which maybe I'll make another recipe video on, like a totally different version of this. But it's really, really up to you guys. Anything that you want, you can add coconut flakes, whatever floats your boat. And preferably, I'd probably want to dip these dollops of caramel, but I know that's not healthy, and this is supposed to be a healthy channel, so I'm going to stop myself. But I know it's fall, and I know you guys are all going to be going apple picking, so this is definitely an easy, fun recipe for you guys to use up some of those apples. And like I said, also check out my stovetop cinnamon apple recipe video and my healthy apple pie recipe video. They're nice and mini and super, super cute. Well, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.